Still struggling to identify trend in the market? What if I can share with you one technical indicator that you can use on TradingView that can increase at least 70% accuracy when it comes to trend identification? And best of all is that it can also help you to identify accurate trend reversal. So let's get started. This technical indicator is called the Heikin Ashi. So in English, it's also known as average bar. What it essentially do is it helps to identify the trend confirmation, the trend strength, and also the most important part, which is the trend reversal. So for trend confirmation, you can see that it is similar to the normal candlesticks that you are looking at whenever you're using TradingView. So consistent green candle indicates an upward trend, while the red candles indicate a downward trend. So how do you identify whether it's a strong upward or strong downwards? It's indicated by the length of the candles, green or red. And the most important portion is actually on the trend reversal. A lot of investors may not be able to identify a trend reversal accurately. However, with the use of Heikin Ashi, you can see that a shift from a green candles to a red candles or vice versa can indicate a potential trend reversal. So let's take a look at an example. So firstly, head over to TradingView and click on any asset or any instruments that you are looking at. And on this chart itself, you can see that this is the usual candlesticks that a lot of investors are using. So how do you input Heikin Ashi into your TradingView chart? So just click on the indicators here and then search for Heikin Ashi. You can just select any of it. So for me, I will just use the one that's done by Captain Coin. So when you click on it, you will see that Heikin Ashi is appearing at the bottom. So one very important thing to note is that the top chart is indicating the real-time data, whereas for Heikin Ashi, it's actually an average price. So it does not indicate the real data of the price movement. So as you can see, on the top chart, there is a lot of green, there's a lot of red candlesticks. So this is actually because there is a lot of noises in the market. And if you actually refer to the same time frame while using the Heikin Ashi, it's actually indicated by a more consistent candlesticks color. So the good things about using Heikin Ashi is that it actually reduces the noise in the market. It filters out any minor price fluctuations. So from here, you can see that it provides a clearer picture to investors that this is actually heading towards a downtrend. And then of course, the second advantage of using Heikin Ashi is that it actually helps to identify trend visibility. So it makes it easier to identify and follow trend. If you actually look at this chart here, you may be confused whether the market is moving sideways, upwards, or even downward trend. Whereas with Heikin Ashi, it can help you to identify the trend better. As you can see, this is apparently going downwards. Okay, just assuming that you only have data until here. So Heikin Ashi can have the power of doing this trend identification for you. And of course, the use of Heikin Ashi, it helps you to improve your entry and exit points in the market. So as you can see, earlier on when we talk about the trend reversal, when the candlesticks actually changes color from one color to the next, right, it's actually indicating a potential trend reversal. But of course, whenever there is a change in candlesticks color, it does not mean that it's 100% accurate that the trend reversal will happen. So you have to do your due diligence by using other technical indicator to further confirm the trend reversal. Heikin Ashi is just a more accurate indicator for you to identify trends. So as you can see from here, if you are using the normal chart on TradingView, there will be a lot of price fluctuation. So it's indicated by this red candle, green candle, then red and green and red and green again. Whereas when you're using the Heikin Ashi, it's actually showing a clear red candles, and sometimes when the price fluctuation is too huge, it will still be indicating as green. However, on the general overview, you can see that this is a clear downtrend because majority of the candlesticks are in red. So how do you identify whether there's a trend reversal? Very straightforward. You can see that there is this candle that is indicated by a small horizontal line and the large horizontal line. So this is also called the doji candle. So whenever you see a doji candle, it is highly likely that a trend reversal will happen. So when you are actually at this point in the market, which is a red candlestick, and you see a doji candle that pops up next, you can further get your confirmation from the next two candlesticks. So if let's say you still see another green candlesticks without any lower wicks, you will further confirm that the trend is heading towards uptrend. So you can possibly think of entering the market over here, for example. Let's take a look at another trend reversal for downward trend. So assuming that you are currently here in the market and then a green doji candle would appear right here, indicated by this candle here, it would likely indicate that the market is actually heading towards a trend reversal and a downward trend may occur. So how do you further get a confirmation is by looking at the next two candlesticks. So when there's red long candlesticks without upper wick, it indicates that the trend reversal may be a confirmation. So the next few candles, it would be a good indicator for you to enter the market for a short position. Hope this Heikin Ashi indicator actually helps you to identify trend better. And of course, is this sufficient to really identify 100% accurate trend visibility? I would say it's a no. So you will have to still use other technical indicator offered in the TradingView itself to really get your confirmation, such as using the MACD line to further confirm the trend movement. So hope this helped. If you find this video useful, do give us a like and subscribe to our channel.